This is Tony Byrne from the Resource Corp, and I'm here with Tony Hosking.
Hi everyone.
Also from the Resource Corp. Today we're talking about multi-core cable.
One thing I should also just point out too, from a construction thing that Eurocable started off with many years ago that I was very pleased to see, is that regardless of the cable style they make, the outer jacket here, which is quite thick, is not just a sleeve over the cables, but is actually moulded to the cables. So it actually grips onto the outer row of channels. So regardless of these, if it's being pulled somewhere or handled a lot, there is no slippage of the jacket against the internal channels, and much less chance of any internal twisting if it's being handled incorrectly or rolled incorrectly.
So, okay, so multi-cores here, we've obviously covered the digital side of things, we've covered analog as we have here. There are also some hybrid cables as well, aren't there? So
yes, again, Eurocable were very prominent in the early days with specialised hybrid cables, and part of the current range that has been out for a little while now, hybrids of digital multi-core systems that also include the likes of, say, two Cat5e or two Cat6 Ethernet cables, all with their own individual jackets. So very simple to tail off to create a fantail, but still leave the body of the cable as the one handling, easy to handle sort of cable overall. Great for digital mixing consoles with analog aspects as well. It's been very handy. Now this is a 12 channel with two Cat5es. They also make a 24 channel with two Cat5es or Cat6s. Or in some cases, more specialised cables again, which will involve power, Ethernet, audio and video combinations. Such is the nature of the change within the communications and audio industry. So Eurocable has to make sure that they are keeping up to date with the matching technology for the interconnect cables.
And a lot of those components of that cable are available as individual cables. Obviously they do Cat5, Cat6, DMX and all that kind of stuff. So these, obviously multi-core's the top end, the most comprehensive side of what needs to happen in a cable, but all those individual component cables appear as separate items in the Eurocable catalogue.
Certainly do, and DMX is another good cable, as you just mentioned, so it's also available as a single pair, a double pair, and also they make a 4-channel DMX cable, which is sort of like 4 individual DMXs in a multi-core form.